Hello everyone. We are going to cover a high-level workflow on how to use SML. The first step is to create a new dataset. Once the dataset is created, users can start uploading their files in CSV format. Now we are ready to create our first machine learning experiment. Let's get started. There are 5 easy steps to a machine learning experiment. The first step is initialize. In the initialize step, users can select the file that they would like to use. Now we select the target column that we would like to make our prediction on. SML will automatically classify the problem as a regression or classification problem. The next step is the pre-processing page. Pre-processing is an important step to prepare the data in order to train a robust model. Users can choose from 18 powerful pre-processing steps that will impact the data. Each step comes with a tutorial on how to apply it. If users are not comfortable with applying pre-processing steps, they can use the autopilot mode option. This option will automatically apply the steps for you. Now we are ready to train the models. Training models requires for users to select a metric first that they would like to use to train the model. Now we can select one or more models to train. SML allows advanced users to manually configure the model. For new users, we provide the autopilot mode option. This option allows users to automatically train their models without any prior knowledge. In the next step, users can finalize which models they would like to use. Users can choose to ensemble the scores of multiple models, or they can select one model. The machine learning process is now complete. Users can now go to the playground page to learn more about their model, make predictions, and to access many more powerful SML features.